like every other afternoon. Steve's going to London, 10 feet in the pool. Tom fell for his best friend's mom, but what the hell you gonna do? Hey, hey, look around, wouldn't it be nice for someone to miss you? Hey, hey, running out on the things that you used to like, now they depress you. While you're trying to find some meaning in your life before you know. It's a song that don't mean anything at all. And it sounds like Steve's going to London, Sean's stuck in a suit. Tom sleeps on his best friend's lawn, like every other afternoon. Steve's going to London, 10 feet in the pool. Tom fell for his best friend's mom, but what the hell you gonna do? What the hell? Sean's stuck in a suit. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so sorry. I just want to say one more round of applause for Adam Met over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Appreciate it.